All right. So now we are on 16.10. I believe there are 11 sub chapters in this unit. The last three are mainly just a review of the first nine, or first eight. So this generally is just two activities that I tend to do in the classroom. As I already mentioned, one talking about either your Amazon list, Amazon wish list, or someone else's. Um, but we can also talk about worst Christmas gifts or holiday gifts or birthday gifts that you've ever gotten, something really unusual or something someone else got. You were like, what the hell is that? And really, it's just that how do you describe something that's weird? And so that everybody else understands just how weird it is. And I'm trying to even think of what a weird gift I got. This has been the first year where I don't think I got anything weird. Normally, my family gives me really weird stuff. Um, oh, okay. So that was probably the weirdest gift I got, a little crepe making machine, because I already have the pans to do that. So now I have a. It's cool. It's handy, especially if like don't want to get all the pans dirty or cooking multiple things. But so what I want you to think about is what's a weird thing, unusual thing, and how would you describe it? So I should probably cut. Let me get rid of this. Delete that. Open this thing up so it's a little bit easier to read. A little bit better. Okay. So little practicing stories of going out and finding a strange thing, going to a flea market, finding strange things. In this last year, we don't do anything social anymore, so we look at Amazon. Um, Practice the dialogue. There's lots of role playing that they've sort of dropped in the more recent editions. So again, going to your Amazon web wish list and talking about what things are on there, describing them, well, giving the name, describing them, what they look like, how you use them. Simple stuff. And then, of course, we could tie in using the price. How much does each thing cost? Um, all the examples they give in the book are hopelessly out of date. So they're more comical than anything else. It looked like my glasses were broken. I don't know. Is it a reflection? Oh, it must be just the shadow on my face. Oh, looks like Ernst Blofeld, if you are a James Bond fan. Um, okay, so how did this thing get messed up? Okay, so store blah blah blah, and then go through, ask about different stuff. Really, there's not that much in this. Again, I tend to use this little section as a day or two talking about your Amazon wish list. And that's about it. So that is 16.10.